Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. This is Abrar from WARRENTY. Today I'm gonna review this scooter. This is E10 Pro 2022 upgrade version. As you can see, this is new design, big body and off-road tire, 3 headlight. As you can see, this is new design. Okay, is a 1000 watts motor, big motor and big red suspension, and also 3 LED light, blue color shock, Roano's brand, RW brands, and it has manual key. As you can see, this is manual key and this is remote key. Seat removable system. Also we have now 3 color available: red, blue and black. As you can see, this is really nice. Red shock. Just today come our shipment from China, and we just make display now, as you can see. So I'm gonna show you how can this work. Check this light, another light, also downside LED light, signal, and check this horn. It's really nice, and its maximum speed is, as you can see, just check the speed, more than 60 up. Now no have charge, as you can see, only 3 bar charge, so that's why no going up more. Now I'm checking this red shock. As you can see, it's already turned on. Another light, red light and signal. This is really nice with premium quality 6 RW brands. As you can see, this is really nice. Just come today our shipment. We receive our shipment goods today, as you can see. And also we have available E10 Offroad 2022 version, 2 headlight version. As you can see, all are off-road. This is 2022 2 headlight off-road version, 1000 watts motor, 48V 13H battery. It's only 1300 dirham. And E10 Pro Off-Road 2022 version, only 1450 dirham. As you can see, new design, really nice this one. Also have brake light, as you can see, very nice. First time in Dubai. This is our 2022 shipment, now available on our stock. We are taking order from YouTube, Facebook, our website, Amazon, anywhere. Just give us order, we'll give delivery in same day with free delivery, free assemble, free delivery. This E10 Pro 2022 only 1450 dirham, only 1450 dirham. RW brands, with brand new, with the box same like this. Walk up and really nice this one, new design, blue, red and black color available, same like this E10 Pro. Also have 90 days motor and battery warranty. Foldable, if you want you can fold this scooter very easily, and also you can remove this seat. If you remove this seat, then looking more nice. Really nice this one. First time in Dubai, only Rohan's brand. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share with your family and friends. We want to doing business with you guys. Just give us support, help us to grow in our community. That's it for today, guys. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.